Hmm. I welcome you all in my father's YouTube channel. Today, the topic will be the concept of war, how the days have come in, what is the exact reason behind the days, why after this Sunday, Monday comes, why after Monday, Tuesday comes, and so on and so forth. And in this meeting, we have a guest, Archna Kapurji, and we have Arti Mishra, who is my father, online student, and hopefully she will join soon. Over to you, Papa.
Thank you.
Now,
Thank you so much.
let me continue. So, I think Arti is going to join again. Let her come. Arti,
She
come
has.
soon. Arti, okay, let us start. I don't know, there may be some trouble. So, now, how weekdays were created according to Vedic Jyotish. This is a topic. This is today's topic. I know many of you have learned in Ashtavarga the Kaksha distribution. Kaksha distribution is the pattern in which the effect of Saturn comes first, and it is followed by Jupiter, Mars, Sun, Venus, Mercury, Moon, and finally Lagna. Here you can replace Lagna by Earth because the Lagna is possible on the surface of Earth. It is a rising point on eastern horizon. So it is possible on Earth. It is possible on Earth only. So what happened? What happened? We will discuss that. So I have told you several times that if you become able to trace a pattern, you will color your life. You will get the philosophy of your life. Only if you trace a pattern, a complete pattern. So now I am starting with Kaksha and how Kaksha creates weekdays. So let me share. Now I'm sharing. Archna ji, Archna ji, हाँ, okay.
Ji.
Okay. Have you seen this?
Yes.
So I'm just moving to the set this page. So this is the distribution of Kaksha. According to Ashtavarga, Kaksha means orbit are arranged in the following pattern to give the predicted results. So 0 degrees है 3 degree 45 minutes. This is a Kaksha of Saturn. Then 3 degrees to 7 degree 30 minutes is the Kaksha of Jupiter. 7 degree to 11 degree 50 minutes is Kaksha of Mars. Then 11 degree 50 minutes to 15 degrees is a Kaksha of Sun. Then 18 degree 45 minutes to 22 degree 30 minutes is a Kaksha of Mercury. And 20 degree 30 minutes to 26 degree 15 minutes is a Kaksha of Moon. Then finally 26 degree 15 minutes to 30 degree is a Lagna, or you can say it is a Kaksha of Earth. It is the Earth which is supposed to be static because we do not see it in motion. So according to relative to us, Earth is stationary, and everything, including Sun, is moving around the Earth. So on reversing the following pattern is seen. If we reverse this, from Lagna to, we move from Lagna to Saturn, this pattern occurs. This is Earth, very near to Earth is Moon, followed by Mercury, far away from Earth somewhat, then Venus, then Sun, then Mars, then Jupiter, then Saturn. This is the way. It is just opposite to the Kaksha given in Ashtavarga. So that is why ancient ancient Sanatani Hindus were aware of this geocentric position. Today, modern science take it as a geocentric position. It comes out from the Kaksha distribution in Ashtavarga. The second part of the Dhat Solar Shastra. Okay. So, Moon is very near to Earth and Saturn is a distant planet. What happens? There are 4 Vedas. We have to stand properly. Minimum 3 legs are required. Minimum 3, you can say legs, or you can say 3 pillars are required for a body to stand properly. Minimum 3. That is 3 Ved. Vetrayi. Rigved, Atharved, and Yajurved. But to give it complete stationary position, the 4th Ved, that is what?
Samved.
No, Atharva Ved. Atharva Ved is not the Ved of that type. It is a materialistic Ved.
Oh.
Every engineering and every Tantra Kriya comes from this Ved, Atharva Ved. There are several who do not accept Atharva Ved as a Ved. So there are 4 Vedas, 4 Upved. That means 4 is important thing. 4 is very important thing. Nakshatra, there are 4 Nakshatra, there are 4 Nakshatra Charan. 4 is the arms of the Lord Vishnu. Chaturbhuj. Devi is Chaturbhuj. So if we proceed from Saturn to Earth and count the 4 from it, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is Sun. That is Sun. Surya. Likh lo. That is Surya. So from Sun, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is Moon. Likh lo. That is Moon. Since we are viewing from the Earth, we do not consider the Earth because we are on the Earth. Then 4 from Moon. 4 from Moon. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is Mars. That is Mars. In Hindi, Mars is known as Mangal. So instead of Mars, write Mangal. Okay. Then 4 from Mars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write Mercury. Right? Mercury. Instead of Mercury, write Buddha. And 4 from Buddha. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jupiter. Right? Guru. Right? Guru. And 4 from Guru. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Venus. Right? Venus. And 4 from Venus. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Saturn. Right? Shani. Now tell me, what comes out to be? Tell me. क्या लिखा तुमने? Tell me, what comes out to be?
गुरुदेव, ये तो जो डेज है वीक के वो बन गए. बताओ. रविवार, सोमवार, मंगलवार, बुधवार, बृहस्पतिवार, शुक्रवार, शनिवार.
From here, weekdays evolves. Weekday evolves. Yeah, pattern of weekday evolves. The logic. This is the logic. This is the logic. So, Saturn is a darkness. From darkness, light appears. सृष्टि से पहले सत्य नहीं था, असत्य भी नहीं था. It is a state of absence of truth and false. Shani. The counting is from Saturn. सृष्टि से पहले सत्य नहीं था, असत्य भी नहीं था. It is a state. From here, light appeared. From here, light appeared. Next day was Sunday. When there was an awakening of mankind, he first saw the sun. And afterward, he ignored the moon in the night. The next day was Monday. So, from this pattern, we have a definite pattern. We have a definite pattern. How war were created according to the Vedic thinking and Vedic knowledge. This is the reason.
Right.
So we have to apply the Vedic rule to this pattern. Clear? Now I am moving to the next.
Very true.
I am moving to the next.
Right.
Whether this pattern gives results in another pattern or not. If it is, then we can predict. So sun is the soul. Surya, Vishwatma, Jagatatma.
Right.
Bhaskar. There are 1008 names of Lord Surya. Samjhe? There are 1008 names. Let us see which name is effective. Which name is effective in Jyotish? Saptastu. He rides on the chariot of the 7 horses. Is it possible to calculate from this pattern? If we are able to get, then we can predict. So I will stop sharing and sharing another screen. Now I am sharing another pattern. Another, this is the pattern. Oh, ये नहीं है तो बंद करना पड़ेगा मुझे एक मिनट को ये नहीं है. This is not that pattern was required. एक मिनट को तो मिलना मुझे एक मिनट बस. बंद कर देता हूँ. वो मैंने एक्चुअली वो बंद कर दिया जो मुझे बंद नहीं करना चाहिए था. एक मिनट को बस.
Okay, no problem.
मैं डेस्कटॉप पे जाना पड़ेगा मुझे. वो असल में मैं गलती से वो बंद कर गया जो मुझे नहीं बंद करना चाहिए था. क्या करूं? सब करता हूँ. मैं इसमें आ नहीं पा रहा. एक मिनट को मैं कोशिश करता हूँ. वो आना जरूरी है क्योंकि नहीं आएगा ना तो हो नहीं पाएगा. एक मिनट को. अच्छा एक मिनट बस. ये नीचे नहीं हो रहा ना. डॉक्यूमेंट. हाँ आ गया. ठीक है. Now I am sharing. आ गया वो पैटर्न. थोड़ा पैटर्न लगता है. You see this pattern?
Right. Yes, Gurudev. Yes.
Divide a circle into 7 equal parts. So if we divide a circle in 7 equal parts, this pattern comes out to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let us see what happens when we arrange on circumference of the planet the geocentric position of the planets. Geocentric position. And we join every planet by weekdays order. By weekdays. So this type of things comes. So we have the circumference of this circle. We mark the 7 part. First here, this point is Saturn, Shani. This is Guru according to the Kaksha order. According to that order, the geocentric position. Shani, Guru, Mangal, Ravi, Shukra, Buddha, Chandra. Think what will happen if we join, you can say, Sun with Moon. We join, where is Sun? I don't know. Yeah, Ravi. So,
Ravi.
Chandra. Chandra with Mangal, Mangal with Buddha, Buddha with Guru, Guru with Shukra, Shukra with Shani, and Shani with 2 years.
Hmm.
Shani with
Hmm.
Ravi. What happens?
Hmm.
So in the next figure you will find this. This is a mega sun.
Hmm.
It gives a picture that every planet evolves from the sun. But to be more clear, let me shift to the second figure. Here, what I have done, I have joined
Hmm.
Ravi with Chandra, Chandra
Hmm.
with Mangal, Mangal with Budh,
Hmm.
Budh with Guru,
Hmm.
Guru with Shukra,
Hmm.
Shukra with Shani, and Shani with Ravi.
Hmm. Ravi.
Stars appear. This shows Sun
Star.
is the stars. A star appears.
Yes. Ji.
Sun is the star. And every planet evolved from the sun.
Hmm.
A perfect star. You see, it is a perfect
Ji.
star.
Ji.
Right.
So that pattern है, that result is another pattern. A definite pattern and complete pattern.
Right.
Here, the Vedic Jyotish starts. Om yajagrato duram udeti devam tadu suptase tathayavati duram gamam jyotisham jyotirekam tanname mana. So this pattern. Now let me, so yeah, joining circumferential points according to weekdays. Varkam. अब ये देखो, this star, if I remove the turtle, then this comes out. Stars.
Right.
So it shows that all the 7 planets at one time were the parts of mega sun. Parts of mega sun. And
Right.
that is why, because it appears to be in motion. It appears to, all the planets appears to be in motion. So that is why sun जो mega sun है, that is also known as Sapashvu, 7 planets. That is inside here. That is the mega sun, which is now visible, not now. So let me stop sharing. So in this video, I tell you all about the creation of weekdays according to the Vedic thought and Vedic Jyotish.
Very nice.
Ji
Very nice.
Gurudev. Very nice.
Very well explained. Thank you so much. Very well explained.
So here ends this lecture. Also, Archna ji
Obviously.
were saying that
नहीं, it's
she is
very
not
nice.
waiting to join the
At
class.
least
Yes.
नहीं बहुत बहुत बढ़िया. Really.
बहुत सच में बहुत
Thanks
अच्छा
a
है.
lot.
So should we end the meeting?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks a lot.
This meeting will be displayed publicly on my channel at Facebook and that YouTube. Very soon I will post it, share this there. Okay? Okay.